Number 14 for 2.
Balik sa Lucas post niya.
Jason Ball. Reporting rebound again. Foul number 1. First personal second team foul. Number 23. Person number 8. Same ball. Turnover. Number 7 passes to 22. 26. Number 43. 22. Pass to number 26. 22, 42. Backcourt violation. 3 seconds. End of the first quarter. Number 10 pass to 3. Number 10. Number 10 for 3. 14. Rebound again. Easy 2 points. And 7. Foul number 18. First personal foul. First team foul. Number 8. That's number 23. 40 seconds to shoot. 24 now. Traveling in violation. Three. Pass to number 10. Foul number 53. First team foul. Three. Number 8, pass to number 20. 23. Number 53, pass it. 24. Still. 23. Foul number 53. Second personal. Second team foul. Number 14. Pass to number 10. Number 10. 2 points, 14. Pass. Pass it. 14. 2 points. 14-7. 23. No good. 23, no good. 23. 24. Pass to number 33. Pass to 18. Foul. Contact. Number 52. Bonus shot. Number 18. Shot. Taiwan, here comes. Ano yan? Back to the again. Number 10. Number 10, good ball. Number 3, good ball. Number 3. Number 3, Mari. Number 26, good ball. Foul number 33. Three, 2, 23, 2 points. Stop. Wait. 23, 26. Stop. Foul number 51. Six. Again. Block. Number 10, the ball pass to number 8. 23. Still. 26. Pass to number 10. Foul number 8. First personal, 1 number penalty. Warning wire. Number 3, pass to. Number 10, 2 points. 10. Two points, number 10. 7, 10. In favor of this side. Ball number 33. First personal, second team foul. Number 23. Foul number 33. Number 33, second personal foul. 33. New Jacks ball. Time remaining 1 minute and 5 seconds. Number 10, dribbling. 6, block. 53, dribbling the ball. Twenty-three for 3. Bagus. 33. Set. 20 seconds remaining. Time to shoot. 8. 5 to shoot. 5. 53. 4 seconds. Three. 30-11 in favor of this end. Number 8, dribbling the ball. Number 1, first. Second personal, first team foul. 23, or 2, no good. Number 7, pass 2. 20, 10, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 22, foul, foul rep. 53. 53 for personal foul. 22. Second. Number 10, pass to number 1. Number 22. 23, rebound. 23, pass to number 8. Shot, Sabrek. Number 8, pass to 51. 23. Number 8. Pass to block by number 23. 24, 42, no good. Rebound by number 23. Number 1, foul. Second personal, second team foul. Pass to number 23. 23, 42. 2 points. Number 10. 2 points. Number 10. Number 7. Pass. Three pass to number 10. Number 1, third personal foul, third team foul. Number 24. No good. Number 1, pass to number 10. Fifty-one, second personal, second team foul. Number 10. Shots up. Pass to number 8. 23, dribble ball. Pass to number 8. Foul number 18. 1-4 penalty. Disable. Pass to number 22. 22, pass to number 1. Number 1 for 2. 2 points. That is 16. Two for 3. Rebound number 7. 3 points. Number 1. Pass to number 23. Steals by number 1. Number 1 pass to number 22. Number 22 for 2. Start. 23. Time out. New chance. Dribbling the ball. 22. Pass to number 26. Jump ball. Open. Number 8. Foul. Good. Number 8. Passing out 23. 23. Number 10. Number 14. Traveling violation. Number 8, pass 2. New chance ball. Number 8, still by number 10. 2 points. Score is 44-16. Rebound. Pass to
Shoot!
33. Foul number 53. Fifty-three, 5 points. Second attempt. Three points. Number 10. Number 24. 23. 23, dribbling the ball. 26, pass to number 10, 22. 22. Pass to. Number 8, pass to number 24. 23. Pass to number 10. 21. 23 for 3. Good points. 40 seconds remaining. Traveling violation. 24, pass to number 8. Number 8 for 3. Miss. 17 seconds. Stop. Three first. Free throw. Second free throw. 10 seconds remaining. 5, 4, 8. Still by number 1. Number 10, 2 points. Number 8, dribbling the ball. Number 8, pass on number 23. 26, pass to number 10. Number 10, pass to number 7. 2 points. Time out. Time out, your chance.
Nakaibat pa.
Number 8. Number 8, pass to number 52. Pass to number 23. Number 23, foul. Number 10, foul. Next personal. Same ball. Number 23. Pass to number 24. 23. 23. 22. 18. Third personal foul, number 18. Second team foul. One shot, good. Pass to number 18. Number 18 for 2. Dito na number 23. 3. For 2. Good. 18. Pass to number 10. Number 10 for 2. Rebound by number 26. Pass to 18, pass to number 1. Number 18 for 2. No good. 23 pass to number 8. 23. 23 pass to number 24. 2 points. Out 8-23 in favor of Bisay. 18, 2 points. Twenty-three for 3. Foul number 1. Fourth personal foul number 1. Second attempt. Second attempt. Ten. Number 1. Sub. Saurek. Responded. Number 8, third personal foul. 23. Number 8. Number 7. That's the number 10. Number 10. 2 points. Number 10, dribbling the ball. Still by number 1. Number 1 pass. Rebound by number 23. 23. Pass to number 24. 24 pass to number 10. To number 8. 23, dribbling the ball. 10 seconds to shoot. 5. Still by number 7. Number 10, 2 points. Number 8 for 3. Still by number 1, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 10. Number 18. Stop. 23. Time remaining 4 minutes. Number 10. DC 2 points. Number 8. Number 22. 5. First personal, 1 leg for penalty. Twenty-four. Full by. Tender. Sudah number 9. Number 10, 62 points. Number 10, pass to number 70. Still by number 14. Number 1. How good. Number 22. 13.
Nice.
2 points.
Job.
Time remaining 2 minutes and 50 seconds. 23 pass to number 1. Back to number 33. Number 10. To 14. 14 for 2. Given by number 23. Foul number 14. Sub. Pass to Richard Ball. Pass to number 51. 51 still by number 10. Number 10. Richard Ball. Time remaining 2 minutes and 2 seconds. Time out. New chance. 24. Still by number 1. Number 1. Pass to number 22. Itu pasal 51 to number 70 for 3. No good. 33 for 2. Points. Time remaining 1 minute and 7 seconds. Number 33, 2 points. First ball left. 22.
Para mo na magsabi yung ano.
Penalty.
Puro local. Mga bago ba, puro local. Maganda talaga yung lipat eh. Kasi na,
24 to 2 free throws.
magandang local?
Four shots. Good. Second shot. Good. 56 points remaining.
Kasi pag tumagal, sa init sa Pinas, natatanggal din ng mga ano. Velas? Hindi katulad dito.
Time to shoot. Number 8. 30 seconds remaining. Foul. Number 10. Two free throws. First shot. No good. Second shot. Good. 27 seconds remaining.
Sabi niya may langka kang tuwid. Wala ano.
May?
Langka.
Walang langka?
Wala akong nalasa.
10 seconds. 5. Final score 68-27.
Dapat, ano, yung Noel. Dapat kanina pa sila 12.
May laro mo.
May laro ka kulang ang trainer.
Best player number
May laro ka
number 49. 10. 1-3. Best player Montreal number 10.
Yay!
Number 20. Sas.